Good day. We are Group 8 presenting our business proposal entitled Eco Sampay Solution with the tagline Smart Trying Sustainable Living. I am Marlene Blasame Manarang, the CEO, leading the overall direction of the business. I am joined by Kathleen D. Dalla as CTO, Maria Roshane S. Manalo as CFO, Fatima D. Illumin as CMO, and Samantha Rose D. Tyson as COO. We aim to deliver an innovative and sustainable solution to everyday laundry problems. EcoSampay Solutions is a modern company that focuses on providing smart clothes drying systems for everyday homes. Alam naman natin na isa sa common problems sa Pilipinas is yung biglaang ulan habang nagpapatuyo tayo ng damit. So our solution uses solar energy and rain sensing technology para automatic na maprotektahan ang clothes from unexpected rain. We offer two types of systems. First, the automatic cover system na kusang nagsasara kapag umuulan. And second, the retractable metal line na madaling i-adjust. With these features, mas napapadali ang laundry task, nakakatipid sa energy at less hassle for users. For our logo, as you can see, it represents the combination of nature and innovation. Makikita dito ang sun at solar panel which symbolizes renewable energy, habang yung clothes naman represent the main purpose of drying. The leaves highlight eco-friendliness. All of this align with our tagline, Smart Drying Sustainable Living. On the other hand, the mission statement explains how the business plans to achieve its vision. EcoSampay commits to delivering smart, solar-powered sampayan systems that help protect clothes from rain, reduce electricity consumption, and support sustainable living practices. Basically, mission highlights the company's purpose and the value it brings to customers. Lastly, the goal of the business is to successfully design, develop, and launch EcoSampay as a reliable and efficient rain-protected clothesline system. This goal serves as the foundation of the business plan, ensuring that all efforts from production to marketing are aligned towards creating functional and innovative product. Overall, EcoSampay Solutions presents a practical and forward-thinking business idea that addresses a common household problem while promoting sustainability and innovation. Moving on to our objectives, our goal is to design a reliable solar-powered sampayan system, ensure customer satisfaction, promote eco-friendly practices, expand our market reach, and continuously improve our product through innovation. So for its long-term direction, the vision statement of EcoSampay Solutions is to become a leading provider of eco-friendly and innovative drying solutions. This means the company is not only focused on short-term sales, but also on establishing itself as a trusted brand in sustainable home technology.
Good day, sir. I am Kathleen Dalla, the CTO of EcoSampay Solution. I will start by presenting the product and services that our company offer. Our business focuses on providing innovative, convenient, and eco-friendly drying solutions that help households deal with common problems like unexpected rain, limited space, and time-consuming laundry processes. We offer two main products and one service package. First one is the EcoSampay Auto Cover System. This product is designed to automatically protect cloths from sudden weather changes, especially rain. Once na matitect ng system na umuulan or may bad weather, automatic na magko-cover ang sampayan. So, hindi na kailangan ng magmadali ng user para kunin yung mga damit nila. So this system is very useful for busy individuals or families na walang time na bantayan yung kanilang mga laundry. It helps or it provides convenience, protection, and peace of mind. Next one is the EcoSampay retractable line system. Ito naman ay designed for flexibility and space saving. The retractable line allow user to easily extend or retract the sampayan depending on their needs. So, kapag hindi nila ginagamit, pwede nila itong itago para hindi makasagabal sa mga space. This is perfect for homes na may limited air tulad ng mga apartment o small houses. It focuses on efficiency and organization and ease of use. Lastly, we offer installation, maintenance, and custom setup services. So, hindi lang kami nagbebenta ng product. We make sure na properly installed at functionally yung system namin. We provide professional installation para siguradong safe at maayos ang setup. We also offer maintenance services to ensure long-term performance and durability. And if may specific needs ang customer, we can customize the setup based on their home structure and preferences. Overall, our product and services are designed to make laundry drying smarter, easier, and more reliable, while also promoting eco-friendly solutions through the use of smart technology. Our next is the technology strategy plan, which outline how we plan to grow our technology and improve our product over time. So our strategy is divided into 5 phases, and each phases has specific focus to ensure na tuloy-tuloy ang development namin, from building a strong foundation up to becoming a leader in sustainable innovation. Phase 1 is all about foundation. Sa unang phase, ang main focus namin is to establish a strong and reliable system. Dito namin pinapabuti ang performance ng solar panels para mas efficient ang energy consumption. We also enhance the accuracy of our sensors para mas reliable ang data na ginagamit ng system. Kasama rin dito ang pag-strengthen ng product durability para mas tumagal at mas mapagkatiwalaan ng customer. At the same time, we start building our brand awareness para mas makilala kami sa market. In phase 2, the growth and automation. Pagkatapos ma-establish ang foundation, we move to growth and automation. Dito namin ini-integrate ang smarter automation system para mas mapabilis ang production at mas efficient ang operation namin. We also develop more reliable and cost-effective system para mas makatipid sa resources habang nagpapataas ng quality. Bukod doon, ini-expand din namin ang marketing at distribution channel para mas marami kaming maabot na customer. In Smart 3, on phase 3, smart connectivity. Sa third phase, we focus on making our product more advanced and user-friendly through connectivity. So we launch a mobile app that allow users to monitor and control the product remotely. So magkakaroon din ng real-time weather updates and alert para mas maging smart ang paggamit ng system. So dagdag pa dito, magkakaroon ng diagnostic at maintenance update para mas madaling ma-detect at ma-solve ang possible issues. Overall, this phase improve the user experience and convenience. In phase 4, the expansion and innovation. So sa phase na ito, we focus on innovation and expansion. Nag-i-introduce kami ng bagong product design na pwedeng i-adapt sa iba't ibang types of homes. We also explore AI-powered automation para mas maging intelligent ang decision-making ng system. Bukod doon, na-expand namin ang reach ng business into more regions and potential international markets. We also start building partnership and eco-friendly brands to strengthen our position in the industry. In phase 5, leadership and sustainability. So sa final phase, ang goal namin is to become a leader in smart and sustainable drying solution. So patuloy kami mag-i-invest sa mga advanced and eco-friendly technologies para mas maging sustainable ang operation namin. Target din namin ang zero waste production at paggamit ng sustainable materials at higit sa lahat, we aim to create a long-term value not just for our customer but also for the community and environment. Overall, this long-term strategy ensure that Eco Sampay solution will continuously improve, adapt to new technologies, and remain competitive in the market while staying committed to sustainable and innovation. Thank you, and for our executive summary, it will be discussed by our Chief Operating Officer, Samantha Tyson. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I'm Samantha Tyson, the COO. In this section, I will discuss the core aspects of EcoSunPay solutions, focusing on our innovative approach to eco-friendly laundry drying and the broader impact of our technology. I will outline how our solution addresses everyday household challenges, the current issues we face in the market, and the business context that shapes our operations. Through this discussion, I aim to highlight the value that EcoSampay Solutions brings to consumers and how it contributes to promoting sustainable living in a modern, technology-driven world. EcoSampay Solution is an innovative startup that provides smart, eco-friendly clothes drying systems designed for modern households. Our solution addresses common challenges in laundry drying, particularly in areas affected by unpredictable weather conditions. Our system integrates solar-powered technology with automatic rain detection, ensuring that clothes are dried efficiently while being protected from sudden weather changes. This approach not only improves convenience for users but also reduces energy consumption and promotes environmentally sustainable living. By offering a cost-effective and reliable alternative to traditional drying methods, Ecosampay Solutions aims to enhance everyday household routines. Moving forward, the company seeks to continuously improve its technology, expand its market presence, and establish strategic partnerships to position itself as a leading provider of smart home solutions. EcoSampay Solutions operates within the smart home and sustainable technology sector, focusing on providing innovative drying solutions for residential use. The company is dedicated to serving individuals and families who seek a convenient, efficient, and environmentally friendly way to dry their clothes. This is especially relevant in regions where weather conditions are unpredictable, making traditional drying methods unreliable. By combining technology and sustainability, EcoSampay Solutions delivers a product that enhances daily living while addressing practical household needs. The business is well positioned to meet the growing demand for energy efficient and smart home solutions, contributing to both customer convenience and environmental responsibility. In today's market, several challenges affect both the business and its potential growth. One of the primary concerns is the high cost of production, which can impact pricing and overall product accessibility. In addition, there is limited awareness among consumers regarding innovative drying solutions, making it necessary to strengthen marketing and outreach efforts. Another important challenge is ensuring the reliability of the technology, particularly under varying environmental conditions. Customers expect consistent performance, and meeting this expectation is essential for building trust. Furthermore, the business operates in a competitive environment, facing both traditional drying methods and emerging modern alternatives. These challenges highlight the need for continuous improvement, strategic positioning, and effective communication of the product's value. These sections collectively present the challenges we face, the context of our business, and the overall value of our solution. Thank you so much for listening.
So, good day, sir. I am Fatima Ilumin, and as for my part, I will be discussing the benefits, transition plan, and IT governance of our proposed system, EcoSampay Solution. Now, let's talk about the benefits of our proposed system. First, convenience for users. Hindi na kailangan bantayan lagi yung mga sampayan. And kapag umulan, automatic na magko-cover or magre-retract yung system, so safe yung mga damit kahit walang tao sa bahay. And pangalawa, time saving. Hindi na kailangang mag-check ng weather every time. Malaking tulong ito lalo na sa mga busy persons or working families. And pangatlo, protection of clothes. Dahil hindi nababasa ulit yung mga damit, hindi na kailangang maglaba ulit. And nakakatipid siya sa oras, sa effort, and sa tubig. Next, energy efficient. Solar-powered ang system kaya nakatutulong ito na mabawasan yung paggamit ng kuryente and makatipid sa bills. Kasama rin dito yung pagiging eco-friendly. Gumagamit tayo ng renewable energy kaya mas nakatutulong tayo sa environment. And another benefit is competitive advantage. Unique yung product natin kumpara sa traditional sampayan, kaya mas attractive siya sa customers. And lastly, scalability ng business. Pwede tayong mag-offer ng iba't ibang versions like basic, standard, and premium para matarget natin yung iba't ibang customers at lumaki pa ang business. Para naman maging successful yung paglipat natin from idea to actual business, ito yung mga steps. First, the product development. Dito natin ipa-finalize yung designs and magbibuild tayo dito ng prototype. Ito-test natin yung rain sensor, yung motor, and yung solar panel para masigurado natin na maayos yung performance. And pangalawa, supplier and sa partner setup. Kukuha tayo ng trusted suppliers para sa materials at makikipag-partner sa manufacturers at service providers. Pangatlo, initial production. Dito, mag-start tayo sa small-scale production o pilot batch. Sisiguraduhin natin na quality yung bawat unit and ready na yung packaging. Next, business registrations and operation setup. I-register natin yung business natin and aayusin yung basic operations tulad ng finance, marketing, and logistics. Sunod naman is the marketing launch. Magpo-promote tayo sa social media tulad ng Facebook and TikTok and gagawa ng demo videos at makikipag-collab sa influencers or online platforms like Shopee and Lazada. After that, sales and distributions. Dito, magbebenta tayo online and at sa local stores at mag-offer din ng installation services. Then, sa customer feedback and improvement. Siyempre, makikinig tayo sa feedback ng customers para ma-improve pa yung product and makagawa ng mas advanced versions. And lastly, the scaling the business. Papalakihin natin yung production and mag-expand sa ibang lugar at naglalabas pa ng bagong product variations. Para naman maayos ang pagpapatakbo ng system, may IT governance tayo na naka-assign sa iba't ibang roles. First is the project leader or business owner. Siya yung overall in charge at nag-ensure na aligned ang system sa goals ng business. Pangalawa, yung IT manager or system developer. Siya naman yung bahala sa pag-develop, pag-maintain, and pag-monitor ng system para masiguradong maayos yung takbo nito. And pangatlo, the operation staff or users. Sila yung gumagamit ng system araw-araw at nagre-report kung may issues o kailangang i-improve pa. And yung panghuli is the quality checker or auditor. Siya naman yung nag-check Siya yung nagde-check kung sumusunod sa standards ang system at kung maayos yung performance at security. And that's all for my part po. Thank you, and I will now pass the discussion to the next presenter.
Good day, sir. I'm Maria Ruishin Manalo. For our financial plan summary, first, start of cost breakdown para sa pagsisimula ng business. Ito yung mga initial na gastos bago pa kami magbenta. For product development, 20,000 to 80,000. Dito ginagawa yung mismong product. Bibili ng materials tulad ng frame, wires at casing. Magtitest kung gumagana kahit umuulan. Magsiset up ng basic electronics tulad ng sensor at microcontroller. Ibig sabihin, dito namin binubuo at pinapagana ang first version ng Eco Sampay. For the number 2, components cost. Gastos kada isang unit. Dito naman yung mga gastos sa paggawa ng isang Eco Sampay. First, solar panel 800 to 1,500. Battery at controller 500 to 1,000. Rain sensor 150 to 300. Motor 500 to 1,200. Free materials 800 to 2,000. Wiring at ibang parts 300 to 700. Total cost per unit 3,000 to 6,500. Ibig sabihin, ganito ang puhunan namin bawat isang product na ibebenta. Number 3, manufacturing setup. 30,000 to 150,000. Ito yung gastos para makapag-produce ng marami. First, total at equipment pang-assemble. Bulk materials para sa mura kapag maraming binili. Labor o sahod kung kukuha ng helper. Dito na kami dilipat from prototype at actual production. For number 4, business and operations, 10,000 to 40,000. Ito yung legal at operational side ng business. First, business registration para legal. Next, packaging, mga kahon or lalagyan. Next, branding, logo, and labels. Ito yung magpapakita na legit at professional ang business namin. For marketing, 5,000 to 30,000. Ito naman yung para makilala ang product. Tulad ng social medias ad and Facebook or sa TikTok. Next, product photos at videos. Next, influencer promotion. Importante ito para magkaroon ng customer at sales. For our total start of capital, ang low budget 60,000 to 100,000. Mas prepared or professional 120,000 to 300,000. Depende ito kung small startup lang or mas malaking launch. Para sa cost per unit, aabot ng 3,000 to 6,500 bawat Eco Sampay. For our pricing strategy, may tatlo kaming option. Ang option A, cost plus pricing. Kung 4,000 ang cost, ibebenta ng 6,000 to 8,000. For our option B, value-based pricing. Dahil sa convenience at protection, pwede naming ibenta ng 7,000 to 10,000. For option C, tiered pricing, pinaka-recommended. Magkakaroon ng 3 versions. Ang una dyan is basic, 4,999 to 5,999. Next, standard, 6,999 to 7,999. Last is premium, 8,000 to 8,999 to 10,999. So, ang aming profit projection, halimbawa kung ang cost ay 4,000 at ibenta ng 7,000, may profit na 3,000 bawat unit. Kung makakabenta ng 50 units kada buwan, kikita ng 150,000 gross profit. For our IT organization or C-suite, ang Eco Sampay solution ay pinamumunuan ng isang team ng leaders o executives na may kanya-kanyang role para masigurado na maayos ang takbo ng business. Layunin namin na maging organized ang system at ma-achieve ang goal namin na magbigay ng smart at sustainable na drying solution. Ito po yung mga key rules. Ang una po dyan ay CEO or Chief of Executive Officer. Marlene Blessy May G. Manarang, siya ang overall leader ng company. Siya ang nagsiset ng direction, goals, at major decision ng business. For our CTO, Chief Technology Officer, Kathleen D. Dala, siya ang bahala sa technology side. Siya ang magmamanage ng product development, innovation, at solar system ng Eco Sampay. CFO or Chief Financial Officer, ako po yan, Maria Roisin S. Manalo. Ako po yung hahawak ng pera ng business. And ako po yung magbabudget at magmamonitor ng gastos at i-make sure na kikita ang company. Next, CMO, Chief of Marketing Officer, Fatima D. Ilumin. Siya ang bahala sa marketing at sales. Siya ang gumagawa ng strategies para makilala ang product at dumami ang customer. And last, our COO, Chief Operating Officer, Samantha Rose D. Tyson. Siya po ang mamamahala ng daily operation and siya po yung mag-aasikaso ng production, assembly, at overall workflow ng business. And that's all our IT organization. For our IT partners and suppliers, para maging successful ang Eco Sampay Solutions, kailangan namin ng mga partners at supplier na tutulong sa paggawa, pagdevelop at pagbenta ng aming product. Ang una po namin na partners at supplier ay ang solar second power system supplier. Kailangan namin ng reliable na solar components. Dito kami kukuha ng solar panels, batteries, charge controllers. Halimbawa, pwede kaming kumuha sa companies tulad ng SunPower at Trina Solar. Importante ito para gumana ang Eco Sampay kahit mahina ang sikat ng araw. Number 2, sensor and electronics providers. Sila ang nagbibigay ng electronic parts na nagpapatalino ng system. Kabilang dito ang rain sensors, pang-detect ng ulan, microcontrollers, brain ng system, motor drivers, dahil dito nagiging automatic ang paggalaw ng sampayan. Next, number 3, mechanical and motor manufacturers. Sila naman ang bahala sa physical movement ng product. Kailangan namin ng waterproof motors, folding or roller mechanism, matibay na frame, para siguradong matibay at kaya gamitin kahit sa outdoor. Next, number 4, manufacturing and assembly partners. Kapag ready na ang design, kailangan itong gawin ng maramihan. Pwede kaming makipag-partner sa local manufacturers dito sa Pilipinas, overseas factories tulad sa China o Vietnam, para mas mabilis at mas maraming ma-produce. Number 5, LOT or LOT, software developers. Optional lang ito, pero kung gagawa kami ng advanced version, kailangan namin ng developers. Sila ang gagawa ng mobile app, system automation, notification, halimbawa, umuulan na, nagsasara na ang sampayan. Ito ang magpapaganda at magpapa-work palalo sa product. For number 6, hardware and home improvement retailers. Para may benta ang product, kailangan namin ng distribution channels. Makikipag-partner kami sa hardware stores, appliance stores, online platform tulad ng Shopee at Lazada, para mas madaling maabot ang customers. For number 7, installation and maintenance services. May mga customer na kailangan ng tulong sa pag-install. Makikipag-partner kami sa local electricians, home service providers, para masiguradong maayos ang installation at may after-sales support. For our appendices, ang Appendix A po namin ay timeline hanggang sa pag-launch. Ang pagbuo ng Eco Sampay Solution ay tatagal ng 12 weeks or 3 months. Ito po yung each step. Sa week 1 to 2, planning, pag-iisipan ang concept at mag-research tungkol sa product. Week 2, 3 to 4, design, pag-drawing ng system at pagpili ng mga piyesang gagamitin. For week 5 to 6, prototype development. Pagbuo ng unang sample o model ng EcoSampay. For our week 7 testing, susubukan kung gumagana ba ang rain sensor at monitor. Kung gumagana po siya ng tama or hindi. For week 8 to 9, production preparation. Paghahanda ng mga materials para simulan ang pag-a-assemble ng mga product. For week 10 to 11, marketing, pag-promote ng social media para magkaroon ng interest ang mga tao or customers. Week 12, launch. Ito na ang official na simula ng pagbebenta ng EcoSampay Solutions product. For our Appendix B, marketing strategy summary. To promote EcoSampay Solutions, we will use multi-channel strategy. First, social media marketing. We will post regularly on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We will show product demos and customer reviews. Next, online selling platform. We will sell on Shopee and Lazada to reach more customers. Third, influencer and content creator collaboration. We will partner with influencers to promote and review our product. Fourth, local community engagement. We will join eco events and workshops to build trust and awareness. Then lastly, after-sales service. We will provide installation help, maintenance, and customer support to ensure satisfaction. And that's all our marketing strategy summary po. Thank you.